Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachael Smith with RE/MAX and Big Bear. If you are considering buying or investing in Big Bear Lake, you're going to want to hear about this. Today we are going to be talking about Fox Farm, one of the most desirable neighborhoods in our area. We are breaking down the pros and cons so that you can decide if Fox Farm is the right fit for you. Let's start with one of the biggest pros, location. Fox Farm is incredibly central. You're close to everything: grocery stores, Starbucks, restaurants, the lake, and both ski resorts. It's perfect if you want convenience without giving up that peaceful mountain vibe. Pro number 2, larger lots and homes. The homes in Fox Farm tend to be larger and sit on bigger lots compared to other areas in Big Bear Lake. Many properties here have that upscale cabin feel with spacious layouts, modern, and tons of curb appeal. Pro number 3, neighborhood feel. Fox Farm has more of a residential, full-time neighborhood feel. If you're looking for a quieter atmosphere with a sense of community, this area will definitely deliver. Going into our cons, con number 1 is the price point. Now let's talk about price. Because of its location and the style of homes, Fox Farm is on the higher end when it comes to real estate prices in Big Bear Lake. You're paying for the space and the convenience. Con number 2, fewer vacation rentals. Another downside, depending upon your goal, is that Fox Farm has fewer vacation rentals compared to neighborhoods like Moonridge or Eagle Point. If your main goal is income from short-term rentals, it may not be the best fit, but I have seen some produce very well there. Con number 3, limited views. And while we're centrally located, Fox Farm doesn't always offer the same lake or mountain views that other neighborhoods like Castle Glen or Boulder Bay might have. So is Fox Farm right for you? If you're looking for a well-maintained, quiet, and central neighborhood with larger homes, it might be the perfect match. But if you're more focused on views or short-term rental income, you may want to explore other areas of Big Bear. Let me know in the comments what neighborhood you would like me to focus on next. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye.